Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Ford F-150. It's right here behind me. Let's start right away up front. On the front end you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy duty tow hooks, chrome bumper and grille. I'll look down the passenger side. You have chrome wheels. Those are wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side, inside, cloth interior. The seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. We have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Ford bedliner here does keep the bed nice and safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls are mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control and dual heated seats, and your four-wheel drive controls are over here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.